Hi, I'm Shivangi Luhumi. I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. I'm from Yashwantrao Chavan Law College, Pune. My topic is LGBT rights in India. LGBT is an initialism that stands for lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender. It has never been an easy route to equality. They ultimately acquire their rights after a lot of struggles. The Supreme Court handed down its decision on September 6, 2018. Supreme Court declared unanimously that Section 377 is unconstitutional because it violates fundamental rights to autonomy, intimacy, and identity, thus legalizing homosexuality in India. The Supreme Court explicitly overruled a 2013 decision. The term LGBT refers to both sexuality and gender identity. Anyone who is non-heterosexual may be referred to as non-heterosexual. In recent years, India's LGBT rights have progressed rapidly. However, Indian LGBT residents continue to suffer societal and legal challenges that non-LGBT rights citizens do not face. The government has removed colonial era regulations that discriminated directly against homosexual and transgender identities, as well as specifically interpreting Article 15 of the Constitution to outlaw discrimination based on sexual orientation and gender identity. However, numerous legal rights such as same-sex marriage have been left out. Transgender people in India can now change their legal gender after undergoing sex reassignment surgery, thanks to legislation passed in 2019. They also have the constitutional right to register as a third gender. Furthermore, several states provide accommodation for hijras, a traditional third gender population in South Asia, as well as welfare benefits, pension systems, free operations in government hospitals, and other programs aimed at assisting them. In 2018, in the landmark decision of Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India, Supreme Court of India decriminalized consensual homosexual intercourse by reading down Section 377 of the IPC and excluding consensual homosexual sex between adults from its ambit. Article 15 of the Constitution of India states that prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. The state shall not discriminate against any citizen on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them. No citizen shall on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, or any of them be subject to any disability, liability, restriction, or condition with regard to access to shops, public restaurants, hotels and palaces of public entertainment, or the use of wells, tanks, bathing ghats, roads and places of public resort, etc. In the case of Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India, Supreme Court ruled that Indian Constitution bans discrimination based on sexual orientation via the category of sex. Similarly, in the case of National Legal Services Authority versus Union of India, the Supreme Court held that discrimination on the basis of gender identity is constitutionally prohibited. Notable people. There are some notable people also, like Tistas Das, transgender activist, Sushant Divigekar, Mr. Gay, India 2014, Selina Jetli, Miss India 2001, Jyoti Puri, leading Indian feminist socialist, Ramchandra Siras, linguist and author, Hoshang Merchant is a teacher, poet and critic, Lakshmi Narayan Tripathi is a transgender activist, Riyad Vinci Wadia is a filmmaker, Firdaus Kanga is a writer and actor, etc. So the conclusion is, in India, there are around 480,000 transgender persons. Finally, since laws are designed to represent socially acceptable do's and don'ts, a shift in thinking is urgently required. Otherwise, ordinary people will continue to suffer as a result of human exploitation, simply because nature has instilled in them the desire to stand out. This video doesn't solicit any types of promotion or advertisements as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. Please like, share and comment on my video, and do subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.